Hello there, again, just a quick one on the old Invictus. She's rebuilt, she is looking sweet. New chassis, because she was bent. Let's have a look. Sweet. All little rails there, that on the side to protect it a bit better. Been welded up. Yeah boy. Yep, sweet, sweet, sweet. Oh, new battery holder. Yeah, we'll hold that battery down when we're tumbling. So yeah, sweet. Hopefully have that back running soon once the battery's charged. Sweet. 6S pack is charged. We are now soldering some wires on the old Max 8 Bazman, and then yeah, and if the sun stay out, we might get a running video. Alright, I'll speak to you guys later. See you later. Bye.